I was craving something sweet but didn't want to go to the store, so I made ice cream with just 3 ingredients. Stay with me, I'll show you how. In an empty bowl, I added a can of condensed milk. For flavor, I added a tablespoon of vanilla extract, but you can add any other flavor you want. It's your choice. Then I added about 2 cups of heavy cream in it. I whipped it all and kept whipping it until it gets thick and fluffy, like soft peaks. And the truth is, you don't need an ice cream machine at all to get the consistency that you want. Look at how thick and soft it is. It looks so good. Here's my popsicle mold. I poured some of it into my popsicle mold. You can see the texture, how creamy and scoopable it is. It's so soft. I left some in the bowl and froze it overnight with the cream in the popsicle mold. And it's out from the freezer, ready to be devoured. Look at the texture, creamy. It's scoopable and way better than store-bought. Try this next time you're craving something cold and sweet. You probably already have everything at home. Let me know if it's something you'll be trying. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.